shake the ground, roaring loud like he always does. Then one day he fell in love. From the water came a gentle wave, a shallow from the ocean cave. Loch Ness peaked with sparkling eyes. He blinked once, then twice, surprise. When a big heart starts to show, kindness grows before you know. Godzilla met a brand new friend by the lake around the bend. Big loud roar turned melody. Now he sings so happily. Stomp, stomp, splash, splash, laughing as they dash. Even monsters big and tall can find a soul. Loch Ness rose with a giggle and spin. Did a happy little fin flip grin. She said hi, he tried to speak, but his knees went wobbly weak. He brought seashells from the shore. She had never danced before, so they twirled beneath the moon to a funny monster tune. When a big heart starts to show, kindness grows before you know. Loch Ness